Hi, we meet again. Today we're going to Hikkaduwa. I'm going with my wife, La Jennifer. Okay, let's go there. We stopped by at Banana Leaf near the bus station because my lovely wife, very hungry and it's already 12:45. It's lunchtime. We stopped by at Banana Leaf, the new Banana Leaf. This place. Ta-da! So this is our food. Biryani rice. This is fish. Some achar, chili paste, and whatever. I think it will be delicious. Let's see. There is, that's the sambal. Now we are walking to the bus terminal from the restaurant because it's quite close, like 200 meters from here, so we better walk rather than we take a tuk or something. Oh gosh, antrinya. The queue for the bus is very long. We have to wait, and it's very hot. It's very hot. The queue is too long. One bus came, but looks like we still have to wait for the next one. It's full already, but at least now we're at like this looks good because once we don't have to wait for another like 30 minutes now. Apartments, but I don't want to put my laptop there. I don't want to put my laptop there. I'm sorry. Ma'am. Sorry. You say you want to go to Hikkaduwa, it's a beach, but you went a mountain back. You said Tas Gunung. It's going to Colombo Fort. Are you going back to Colombo Fort? Sini aja. The express train on our platform will go Colombo Fort.
No, he said I have to walk upstairs.
No, this. I thought he's going to go up with us, but anyway, it's okay.
Yeah, me too.
This is La Jennifer. Follow Jennifer.Caspers on Instagram.
No, it's Jennifer.
Path.
No, it's Jennifer Media.
Seriously? It's 206. So
Here.
okay. Very nice. our room. So we open. 7. Very nice bed with a side lamp. Hi! We're here. Let's see the... Yes, let's see the... This is Kai Hikkaduwa, very nice hotel with a balcony. I got a balcony. You want to see the balcony? Watch out. Are they open? Is it open? Is it open? Hi, good morning. I just woke up. We're going to have a lot of activities today. We're going to chilling up on the beach. But now we're going for a breakfast first. I'm on the rooftop of this Kai Hikkaduwa hotel. Very nice view from here. Look, that's the ocean. That's someone taking a picture of the ocean. See, this is supposed to be a rooftop bar, and that's the pool. But still, I think it's very early in the morning, so no one here to serve or take the order of the food. I'm going for a swim on that very nice rooftop swimming pool that I showed you before. Let's go. Hi, now we are going for our afternoon walk.
No,
A bit
for our
exercise, a bit exercise in the middle of the day because it's good for our health. kelapa bisa sekalian.
Oh ya. Oh, nggak boleh.
Oh yeah, sorry. Well, now we are in a hashtag by Kai Hikkaduwa. Nice spot for the sunset, really. That's the only thing that I can say now. I'm waiting for my juice. They don't have mocktail, they don't have cocktails. So it's only smoothie now. Let's hope everything will smooth. What is this? Smoothie? Smoothie?
Banana.
Smoothie chicken soup.
No, pineapple and passion fruit.
Pineapple and passion fruit. They know how to make a smoothie. Actually, it's more like a frozen alcohol, but this is non-alcoholic. This is orange carrot. Okay. In mine it's more preferable. Get the sunset because the cloud has came down and covers all the sun, and it's about to rain. So how unlucky I am. 2 days in a row I cannot get the sunset that I want. Still, it's a nice view. I got it. I waited until like now 5:40. Now the sun is coming down and I can see because the cloud stays upstairs. So in the end, we got the sunset. Now we're walking back. Not walking back actually. We're going. Yes, we're going to have a massage. She's going to have a foot massage. I'm going to have a full head massage.
No, I'm going to have full body massage. Full body massage.
Okay, okay. The footage that you just saw. It's like thousands of seagulls, the birds, and they're like really making noise. Please. Hi, hello. This is our last day in Hikkaduwa. Actually, we're going home. We're in Hikkaduwa train station, but as usual, it happens again. The train is delayed for 40 minutes. So we'll see. Let's wait. She's busy with her YouTuber. YouTubey?
Yes, it's true.
So I'm still in Hikkaduwa train station. I'm going up because I want you to see behind. It's the stairs. Okay, I want you to see behind me. It'll be very nice. See? See behind me. It's very nice.